Hello, my name is Angelica Morrison, and I am here to present a product I invented for security purposes or to monitor criminal activities. So, if you are into investing into products for our government or secret agents, then I have the product for you. Let me introduce you to ATT, Advanced Tracking Technology. The ATT is a special tracking device. Not only makes tracking easy, but it also allows you to track in incognito mode. This device is a motion tracker and sound tracker that tops many tracking devices today. Why you should invest in this product? These devices will be built into a firewall system designed to detect unfamiliar or unauthorized devices attempting to access your network. They would use secure encryption to help protect sensitive information and maintain user privacy. They could function as a mobile app or as a small, discrete hardware device available for purchases online, designed with minimal visibility in mind. Privacy and security tools like these could be useful for individuals, businesses, and even government agencies that require enhanced protection of confidential information. The goal would be to offer stronger privacy features than standard tracking protection apps or typical device settings by operating in a fully private and secure mode. One thing many people have in common is a desire to maintain control over their personal information and digital footprint. With tools like these, individuals will have confidence in the fact that their data remain secure and their personal matters stay private. How will this product compare to an Apple AirTag or tracking device, you may ask? Well, guess what? I have the answer. Our device is a smaller aerodynamic device that does not alert any Apple or Android devices that there is a tracker present. It is discreet and unpingable by any person who does not own the device connected to our tracker. It pings movement, sound, and even speed. This is why you should take your time to chip into our product. Not only are you changing the present, you're rebuilding the past and making it the world's future. So what do you say? Are you in? And just to piggyback on the slide, there was a time where I was in a vehicle with a friend. We were driving around. When I left the vehicle's area, my phone alerted me that there was an Apple device that was tracking our movements the whole time. And it showed everywhere we drove that day, all the streets we were on and everything. And I alerted my friend who I was in the vehicle with, who they were unaware that this device was around them until I called them. So this is why I say our product would be different, because if I was driving around with our product, I never would have got that notification about being tracked. And that way, I never would have known to look for a tracker. Just like somebody who the FBI or the CIA is trying to track, they will never know that somebody is looking for them either, because our product will not allow you to detect it. On the next slide is a couple of our products. The pictures are a lot bigger than the products, just to let you know.